Hello and welcome. Welcome to Bella Vita. Bella Vita, beautiful life in the villages. This restaurant was over 30 years old and we completely renovated it by replacing from the AC system to underground plumbing to all the electrical. We put in a whole new kitchen. We have a beautiful indoor-outdoor bar that is so inviting that it will open up right into the square. One of the first things we had to accomplish was bring the bar to the front. So therefore, we had to dig tremendous large trenches in order to bring water, power, and soft drinks to the bar. We poured 27 yards of concrete in creating this space. One of the things that we've heard from our guests was, I wish there was a piano bar in the village or somewhere. Therefore, we put this beautiful piano in our bar. None of this would be possible without an amazing team who have worked so tirelessly in bringing all this together and making this happen. We are so excited to show you our new restaurant, Bella Vita. Come join us.